is an easy one compared to yesterday. So, fingers crossed! We got it right! Alright, it is so hot in here. We're sweating our asses off. And we're not having any of the fans on. Oh, the fiberglass because it's just going to go off.
Wet the out of it until it's smooth. Yes. I didn't because there was no wet stuff. Your problem. Hope that holds. Fingers crossed, just like usual. Thanks, puppy.
Cheers!
We did it! Yeah! I've just noticed after we've fiberglassed everything in that it looks like the front is higher than the back, which it should have been the opposite way around. The back should have been higher than the front. I'm thinking that it's going to look better if the roof is as low profile as possible, but also to make it practical and strong is why it's got the curve. I'm feeling like I need to lift the back up like that, but I'm not going to jump my guns. I'll wait till I flip it over. I'll dummy fit it and everything, see how it looks. The resin smell is strong. I ended up using vinyl ester resin to join it because I ran out of polyester resin, or I was running really low, so I knew I was going to run out of it. So I went with the vinyl ester, which I thought that I was going to do the whole roof out of vinyl ester. So the only thing I'm wary of is vinyl ester straight over wet gel coat. Hopefully that works. We'll see. So next day, this is ready to get cracked out. Not sure how I'm going to do it exactly, but wish me luck. I got it up. Now I just need to get it away. It's very awkward. It looks pretty good. I need to lift it a better way, but I'm just too excited to have a look. You can see how I had the hoop laid out. I'm gonna have to flip this a lot of times, so I thought I'd mount them here on the sides. Funny that funny looking thing made that up there into something. So I've got to reuse this ring. So I'm just going to fix these bodgy bits. It'll be easier. So I just used electrical tape. I just made sure that I did not stretch it on this one. When it's like that, over that one, you can stretch it. It's way easier than iron-on melamine, easier to get, cheaper, faster. Anyway, you can see all the repairs. I've glued it down with polyester resin where it had lifted up in the sections. This is the second last fiberglass that I have to do. This is going to be the other mating flange for this middle bit here. It'll all make sense later. Just look at it. Look, there's that.
Grinded it yet?
No, I haven't touched it. Okay, let's go! Yeah, good. Go. Good enough white stuff? The first thing I do once everything's out of here is to get rid of the safety mechanisms of these two winches because it's leaning up on that little lever thing on both of them. I can't go up or down. It's really annoying. But I just wanted to use the rest of the resin as bog because I mixed too much. And I've got a lot of fairing in here, and then I need to fiberglass over it to make it nice. I've got the formwork there, but it's not straight at the moment. When Stacey helps me, it's 4 times faster. It's not twice, it's 4 times faster, just because I can just keep mixing and while she's wetting out. It is very wet, but she'll be right. It's the next day, time to crack it off. That one came off easy. This is the last time I have to clean all this up. I'm so sick of it. I can't wait to never see it again. Lining up the old holes. And then that panel that I make from this will go into this big ring, and the little ring will mate into the bigger ring, which will mate into the main roof. And I'm just going to use some sticky tape in here instead of melamine because I'm lazy, and I've found that the sticky tape is a lot easier to get off, the electrical tape. The melamine still always ends up getting stuck into the fiberglass like this, and it snaps off and it's annoying. It is a nice surface afterwards, but that was electrical tape and that turned out fine and it was easy to pull out. I just have to make sure that I don't stretch the electrical tape around the corners because it will end up just straightening out. That took 1 hour to fiberglass. That was hard work. I'm going to be very happy once this is all together. I wouldn't be able to do this without my little Stacey. She struggled through that one. Stacey's been so good helping me. I still think it's turning out all right. I made all these press things with her to press all these edges in here, but I felt like it was going off too fast. It is really hot. So the vinyl ester resin I bought before I worked away is all gone off and unusable. Devastated. I don't have enough resin to finish the roof now. I can't cut this down yet to this line because I want to route a nice fillet into that back edge that's against the melamine at the moment. So I need to crack it off and I'll clean it up and then route it and fix it up then.